It's a little Volvo, about 135,000 miles, if I remember correctly. Definite need of a headlight restoration. They were pretty bad, as you can see here. But nothing, that bad that we couldn't handle. Passengers, driver's side is the same way. Alright. Pretty bad up top there. But wait till you see what we did when we were done. Look at this. Here we go. Beautiful, right? Simply beautiful. Broward Headlight Restoration.com, 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We come to you. We service Broward County, Palm Beach, and Miami-Dade counties. Give us a call. Text us. 754-302-0769. Thank you for watching the video.